How to change your name on Ecwid, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your name on Ecwid, easy and quick. First open your browser and then once you're here, click on your profile and here we'll find profile. Click on it and now scroll down until you find change name and email and click change, and here you can change your name. Now just type any name you want here and then click save, and that's it. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.